This is Clinton Chi from Altair. Today we are starting off a new series in bank transaction analytics. In this first video, we'll be getting a public data on international exchange rates. Here are some of the reasons why our bank transaction analytics may need exchange rates. We will be using the Yahoo Finance website to get the Indian to US exchange rate. Then we will be using the Monarch Data Prep Studio software to extract the data directly into a tabular format. This is the Yahoo Finance website. We are going to look up the India to US exchange rates. So click on the historical data and choose between the dates 1st January 2015 to the 31st December 2019. And we check that the date ranges are correct, and we need to click the apply. Scrolling down the pages, we see all the data is there. However, using the URL on top there, we'll get the first 100 records only. So instead, we have to click on the download button and right click and copy the link. Now we will move to the Data Prep Studio software, and this is the start screen and then the preview screen. And then we'll open the web file, so we just paste the URL which we just copied and check that the periods showing the from and to in epoch time format. Now we look at the preview and we check the columns, the date, open, high, low, close, and we switch back to the Yahoo website and just check the date and pricing columns as well. So the preview is very useful. We see the unique value of the data, and we can click on the close column and it'll show the statistics for that column and the distribution of it. And we see the unique row count is 1304. Now we don't require all the columns there, so we select and filter away the columns that we don't need, and the volume is all zeros, so we are just going to import the date and the closing price, and the text viewer will show the raw data. And now we can click to load the data onto the Data Prep Studio. So there's the table that we have loaded. I can change the name of the table here. And then changing the date from the string to the date format, and changing the closing price from the text to the date format. And we can also look at the statistics for each column. And we can see that the earliest date to the latest date range there. And now looking at the statistics for the close price, we see that there's a unique values of 914 and a minimum and maximum here. So here's a very useful summary statistics, and we can also hide those. Now we are going to export the data set there, and it can be used for further analytics. So click on the plus sign and we choose CSV, and we can browse a folder where we want to save the file, or we can just type in the file name and check that everything is okay, and then we click export. And then we can look at the exported file, and so we open that file in an editor and just to check the results. And thanks for watching. So these are our next episodes in our bank transaction analytics series. See you next time. Bye.